There we go. Wisconsin. Greene County. Greene County, Wisconsin. What the heck? Well, new SVR. Anything.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, until 9:45 a.m. At 9:05 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Warren to near Noaa to near Middle City, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brodhead, Albany, South Wayne, Browntown, Judah, Woodford, and Jordan Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin.